Everyone, my name is Allison and I'll be showing you how to get to Canvas and how to use it. So first you're going to want to be in your Fresno State Student Center, and then you can click on main menu, and then you can find Canvas linked right here. And once you click on it, it'll take you to your Canvas portal. And when you first get here, you'll see your dashboard and you'll see all the classes that you are enrolled in. Some of you may also have the GE program portfolio if you came here as a fall 2018 student, and so on. You will have this on your dashboard as well. And so you can also click on courses. And some of you have concerns about you are enrolled in a class, but you don't see the Canvas page. So you can click all courses right here. And you can see all the courses that you're enrolled in as a student, and then you could see right here if they are published. So if a class that you're enrolled in doesn't have a Canvas page yet that you can visually see, it will say no right here, but you will still see the class. So if my CLES 141 class was not visible on my dashboard, that's because it wouldn't have been published, but I would still be able to see the course right here. And then you can also see the different groups that you're a part of. So some professors are going to split their classes in half. And so I'm part of group 2 Wednesdays for my History 127 class. And so you just have to look around and see through the different classes that you're a part of to see how that class is ran, and as well ask questions to your professors to see exactly how they want their content to be turned in, as well as if they are having Zoom sessions. So it is so important to always contact your professors to ask them those questions. But I will show you what a Canvas looks like. I'll use my GE program portfolio. And so this one has less tabs because it is not a class. But as right here, all classes will have a home page and they'll have some information about what the class entails. And then right here, we can see that we have another tab that says grades. And right here, this is where you will be turning in assignments. This looks very similar to the way classes will have their turn-in assignment look like this page as well, where you will turn in assignments. And so right here, you can click on the assignment that you need to turn in, and it says no submission. And so you'll click submit assignment, and then right here, you can choose a file from your computer, from your Google Drive, if you have to do a text entry, or put a website URL. So there's many different options. This is what majority of your classes, it'll look like this. And so we'll go back to our dashboard. And as well, if you need more help with Canvas, you can always go right here to the Canvas support. It's a notification from Fresno State. And so that will also give you more resources as to how to better understand Canvas.